Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Was Nissan aware of the CVT defects? According to Automotive News, in 2013, Nissan CEO Carlos Ghosn announced that the automaker planned to ramp up its oversight of the company manufacturing its CVTs because of poor customer satisfaction with the transmission. A Nissan Altima transmission recall has never been issued.
Take our lead.
A group of Nissan Rogue CVT owners have come together to file a class action lawsuit against the carmaker over an alleged transmission defect that causes the vehicles to shudder and shake. According to the class action lawsuit, the Rogue ran at a high RPM and revved excessively, but failed to accelerate.
Make your mark, take our lead.
A continuously variable transmission, CVT, provides simple, efficient power delivery, creating better fuel economy than traditional transmissions. With CVT, shifting is seamless. The vehicle performs as though it has a variable gear for every driving situation, and you won't feel any shift shock.
Take our lead.
Looking at the average Nissan transmission repair cost for your CVT transmission, the average price is extremely expensive, ranging between $3,500 and $8,000. High expenses is one of the main downsides of the CVT transmission. It is extremely expensive compared to the automatic and manual transmission vehicles.
Let's help you make your mark.
Nissan CVT issues are common among Nissan vehicles. Some of the most common issues with the vehicles directly relate to the transmission. Reported issues include loss of power, transmission jerking, transmission slipping, CVT coolant hose leaks and failures, and a CVT error message being displayed.
Take our lead.
For the 2020 model year, Nissan models that offer Xtronic CVT standard are the Kicks, Rogue, Rogue Sport, Murano, Pathfinder, Sentra, Altima, and Maxima. The Versa also offers the Xtronic CVT as an available option.
Let's help you make your mark.
Around the same time, Nissan settled yet another class action for faulty CVTs, this one affecting 2013 to 2016 Altimas. The automaker extended the vehicle warranties and reimbursed people who had already paid for transmission repairs or replacements.
Take our lead.
Nissan has been climbing in the overall reliability of its vehicles, according to the J.D. Power vehicle dependability studies we've looked at, but they still typically fall below the industry average. However, our view, continuous improvement is, well, continuous.
Take our lead.
As the CVT heats up, it can vibrate excessively. And when it overheats, it sends the car into fail-safe mode, which limits engine RPMs as it tries to prevent damage. This can leave drivers in a dangerous position, and is one of the complaints in a Sentra Xtronic lawsuit.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.